accident insurance issue. Pagka po na-aksidente ang rider o kasama yung kanyang angkas at namatay, Mr. Chair, magkano po ang matatanggap ng pamilya ng rider o ng back rider na pasahero nito?
Angkas, please answer first.
Meron po kaming death and dismemberment insurance po na 500,000. Currently, ina-upgrade po natin yan ngayon sa 1 million. So may iba na pong isa sa 1 million, yung iba po 500,000. And then may medical reimbursement po ng 200,000, Mr. Chair.
Masarap. Mr. Chair, napakagandang pakinggan. Yes, Mr.
Pinasasagot natin sila eh. Move it, what would be your answer?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sa Move It po ngayon, we have a personal accident covering ng 400,000 po for death. But sooner, we will also have life